In today's video, I'm to teach you how to automate reminders with Asana rules. If you're managing tasks across a busy team, automated reminders can keep work moving without manual follow-ups. Asana's rules make this easy by watching for specific triggers and then sending the right nudge at the right time. Let's set this up together so your project can remind people automatically and consistently. Start by going to Asana in your browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization so the rule will live where your team actually works. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're signed into the one that owns the project you want to automate. Open the project where you want reminders to run. This could be a team's shared board, a cross-functional initiative, or even your personal planning project. You'll need editor permissions on the project to create rules, so if you can't make changes, ask a project owner to grant access. In the project, look to the top right and click Customize. This opens a side panel where you can tailor the project to your workflow, including fields, forms, and importantly, automation. Inside that panel, click Rules. You'll see any existing automations plus options to add new ones. This is where Asana watches for events like due dates approaching or tasks moving stages, and then performs actions such as posting a comment or sending a notification. Click Add to create a new rule. Depending on your plan, you may see a gallery of templates or the option to build from scratch. Choose the option that gives you the most control for your reminder scenario. Now type a prompt to create the rule. Use clear, natural language that states the trigger and the action. For example, when a task is due tomorrow, post a comment that reminds the assignee and mentions the project lead entities, or if a task is overdue, send a reminder to the assignee and move it to the urgent section. Be specific about timing, who should be notified, and which tasks qualify. You can narrow scope by section, custom field, or assignee if your plan supports it. Keep prompts concise. Avoid overlapping rules that could double notify, and make sure tasks have assignees and due dates, so reminders actually have context. When the rule looks right, click Publish Rule. Give it a clear name, confirm who runs the rule, if prompted, and save. From now on, Asana will monitor your project and send reminders automatically based on the conditions you defined, helping your team stay on track without extra manual check-ins.